that is the base. The scaffolding you first you ground side use that material. That material is base plate. Then after first you sole board use, but sole wood some wooden also put with some location. Then you use that area is a loose sole. Then combine. Then after that is base plate. This is base shape. And then after you is the base jack. Then after you extender. This is only base shape. This is a board. This is a 2-meter board is available. Is a wide seam. And is a scaffold yard and different kind of material that area is available. That is a ring lock. It is a scaffolding ring lock. It is like it is a pin, and then you put the scaffolding. Then he put is a laser. He is told ring lock material is laser. And ring lock material is a standard. Is standard 2 meter. You know that is the one cut available is 500. 500. Then is a 4 then 2 meter. Is a ring lock. And is laser. Is laser 2 meter. Is a ring lock material. That board also is a ring lock used, and coupler also used sometime. Is a 2 meter board. And here is a already known and different kind of material. Is a store area. Then is a different kind of material, scaffolding and to fitting, coupler and a ring lock. 3 types of scaffolding material is. And here is a construction site, some entrance work and project also use. Different kind of material, different project use. And some companies allow coupler, some company allow ring lock, some company allow tube fitting. Then decide by company that material you need is approved. That material. That material is rejected. Then he is not allowed. Then he is first to certify that material he need. Then he will send that material. First you agree. Then after that material send. He no need. Then after no need. Then after rejected. Okay, bro.